Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add exclusion on Windows security. So maybe you want to add exclusion like there is a folder or files that you don't want Windows security or Windows Defender to scan because it's too important to scan, and this file can consider a virus or maybe suspicious file that can be a threat on your system. So to add exclusion, you can run Windows Defender here. You can go to your system tray, double click Windows Defender. Here you can click on virus and threat protection, and you can click on manage settings, scroll down, and the last option here is exclusions. Microsoft Defender Antivirus will not scan items that have been excluded. The excluded item could contain threats that make your device vulnerable. So you can click add or remove exclusion here, and here you can click this button. In order to add an exclusion, you can choose the file, folder, file type, or the process. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.